Hey, this is Mycah with RV Wholesalers. Today we got the 2023 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2608BS. This travel trailer here is 29 feet 8 inches. It has a dry weight of 6,836 pounds, cargo capacity of 1,910 pounds. It has a height of 11 feet 2 inches. The tanks on this unit, you have a 54-gallon freshwater tank, a 45-gallon black water tank, and a 90-gallon gray water tank. The exterior awning on this unit is 21 feet. All right, here on the outside, starting at the front cap, we do have this beautiful front cap with the automotive glass front windshield. You got two areas there for the hang-on griddle or a hang-on sink. Each one of these units does have the power stabilizer jacks with an LP disconnect. Has a 21-foot awning, two entrances. Each one of the doors does have the solid steps, which is unlike most trailers where just the front has the solid steps, and then there is a rear shower and an exterior ladder. All right, starting here inside at the front of the trailer, we got the front kitchen, which has all this counter space. Obviously you can see behind me all of the cabinet space as well. One of the cool things about Rockwood is they come with your water filter, TPMS, so a tire pressure monitoring system. That comes with every single camper, which is nice. We got your inverter control there, so you can turn it on and off. All sorts of outlets throughout. Nice big double sink with covers for a little bit of extra counter space if you wanted to use it for that. 3-range stovetop, a little oven there. And as you're seeing on pretty much every camper now, you got a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Separate freezer, separate fridge. And the microwave up top there to the left. Moving over here into the slide out, we got our seating and our dinette and stuff. So this is our booth dinette. This does have a fully removable table, so you can actually walk this out if you wanted to. It does drop down into a bed. What you see here is going to be the Newport ash cabinets, wood finishing, and then the linen furniture. So keeps it light, keeps it fresh, and makes it feel a little more open. Nice big windows. We got 4 windows here in the slide out. Again, more cabinet space, and one of my personal favorites is the recliners here, so these will kick back, and you do have the divider here in the center. Charge your phone up, put a drink, and just relax for the evening. Moving on to the fireplace, so you got a 5100 BTU electric fireplace, a sound bar, and a TV. You do have a wardrobe here, or pantry if you want to use it for that. Right here as you walk into the main door, and your control panel is adjacent to that. Here in the bathroom, it is a mid-bath to take advantage of the front kitchen and the rear bedroom. It does have a nice big corner shower with the solid doors, so you don't have to worry about a curtain. Nice big magnet strip there. You got a place for towels and linens right there as well. Nice big skylight for anybody over 5'8". Got a medicine cabinet here as well with some storage underneath. Enough knee space there on the toilet with a towel rack. This is one of my favorite features of the unit, is the rear master bedroom. Bed is in the slide out here, so you have plenty of space, plenty of walk around space. An area on each side if you want to charge your phone, put a CPAP. Cabinets over the bed, headboard. There is storage under the bed as well. And then obviously there at the foot of the bed you got your kind of your closet space with some drawers underneath, and then your private entry into the bedroom. Again, this is Mycah here with RV Wholesalers. We just walked through the 2023 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2608BS. Front kitchen, rear bedroom, dual slide out, and half-ton towable. If you do have any questions or are interested in this unit, give me a call, 937-649-5632.